Hello students, today I am taking notice writing topic for the students of 11th standard. Now what is a notice? Notice is a formal way of communicating to the public mass for a event that is going to happen in near future. That can be for a school, for college, for any other institution. So a notice can be written for various reasons. The format of notice remains the same in all cases. It means whatever the topic is, whatever the plan is, any event, any competition, the format of notice writing will be same. So there are some list on which we can write a notice, like a competition that is going to happen, an exertion trip, excursion trip, a lost and found notice, an inauguration to take place, an exhibition, a blood donation camp to be held, or any such type of event or information to be issued in public interest. So these are the some of the common topics on which generally the notice writing takes place. Now what is the marking scheme of notice, especially for the students of 11th and 12th, when this notice writing comes in the composition part, composition writing, then it contains 5 mark. The word limit for this is 50. It is described here. Then how these marks are segregated: for format, title, notice, heading, place, date, signature, all these things contains 1 mark, and content, and that should be within the word limit of 50. We can't exceed the word limit, so that will be of 2 marks. And the spellings, grammatical accuracy, and the way you are using your choice of words, other than all these things contains 2 marks. So by this way the notice writing is of 5 marks. Now let's have the format, how we can write a notice. Like here it is written ABC Company. ABC Company means issuing authority. The authority, any school, any college, any NGO, anything. The agency which is providing the event, the agency which is going to host an event. So here we have to write the issuing authority's name. Then at the below that we have to write date. See how they have written date: Wednesday, 19th May. Like this we have to write date. Then the word notice, that should be bold, that should be highlighted, and below the notice there should be subject, and subject should be catchy and bold. Catchy and bold means it should be attractive, because when we go through any institution and we see the notice board, first we see the heading, what is going to happen. If the subject or the heading of that notice is very impressive, then only we will pay attention to read that notice. So your heading should be catchy, and it should also be bold like the word notice. It should be visible and it should be attractive. Then the body of the notice. Now what this body of the notice contains? The body of the notice contains reason for writing the notice. We will take one sample notice also. By that way you get to know how we are writing the notice. As I told, this is the short composition part. The word limit is only 50. So we are not supposed to exceed that. We are not supposed to exaggerate the things. We have to write only important things, important information we have to convey. So here it is divided into some parts, like reasons for writing the notice, why we are writing this notice, what is going to happen, what we want to convey, what message we are having. Then relevant event and occasion information, when this event is going to happen, what is the time, what is the venue, what we can do for that. And last is date, time, venue, all these should be mentioned in bold. So this is the content or the body of the notice. And at the last, on the left hand side, sign, name, and designation. You are the head boy, principal, teacher, whoever you are, who is assigned to write that notice. HODs, anyone, they have to write their name, and above their name there should be signature, and at the end designation should be there. So this is the format. First, issuing authority's name, then on the left hand side date, then at the center notice, just below the notice there should be a catchy heading, and below that the body of the notice, and it should be very effective, very fluent. And at the last, on the left hand side, your name, your signature, and your designation. All this comes under only 50 words. Now see, there are some rules to be followed to write a notice. So number one, notices are always written in a box. Just remember this. You are supposed to write notice only in a box. Without box, your marks will be deducted. There should be usage of passive voice while writing a notice. Very important. The voice, active voice is not supposed to use here. You have to use passive voice while writing the notice. It means you have to always use sentences written in passive voice. Example is given here. The names have to be by the students to their class teachers. So like this you have to write. Never use first person while writing a notice. This is very important. You have to keep this in your mind that there should be no use of I, we and me. Personal, first person is not used while writing a notice. There is an important rule which should be memorized by heart. If you write the first person in your notice, your marks will be deducted and your notice will be notice will be wrong. So these are the some rules that need to be followed while writing the notice. Number one, what was that? It should be in box. Passive voice should be used, and first person should not, never ever should be used while writing a notice. So let's have an example of notice writing. See what they have given to us. You are secretary of the music club of your school. So your designation is given that you are the secretary of music club of your school. Your school, Little World School. Little World School, name of the issuing authorities, is celebrating 7th Inter-School Music Carnival for the students of classes 8th to 12th. As I told, that notice is a information for any event that is going to happen in near future within the time of 10, 15, 20 days. Write a notice inviting those who are interested to appear for an audition in the presence of renowned singer Mr. Gautam Sharma. Construct necessary details. So what you have to do, you have to inform the students of your school from class 8th onwards, 8th to 12th, that what this musical carnival is going to happen. So naturally you will give all the information, when it is happening, what time, where, everything you have to write. Now see how they have written. First, name of the issuing authority, Little World School. Then just below that, notice. Now see student, this notice word, you will be having many doubts in this. Sometimes it comes just below the name of the issuing authority and sometimes after this date. Both are correct. You can go in either way. So here they have taken this word notice just below the name of the issuing authority. You can write in this way also. So it should be capital, it should be bold, and then date, and then topic, heading, Inter-School Music Carnival. It should be short, it should be highlighted, it should be effective. You can make it more bold and catchy. So now see how they have written. The school is celebrating. They have not written our school, my school. No, the school. The school is celebrating 7th Inter-School Music Carnival for class 8 to 12th. 8 to 12, all they have taken from the statement. On 30th October 2019. They told on which day it is going to happen. The students who are interested to take part may submit their names for the audition, which will be held in the presence of the singer Mr. Gautam Sharma on 18th October 2019. The last date for submission of the name is 15th October. So all these necessary information they have given you, when it is going to happen, what you can do, what is the last date, what is the timing, what is the venue, everything they have written in 3-4 lines. And at last they added one line, for more information contact the undersigned. It means if you are having any doubt, anything you want to ask, then they have given you a person, in charge's name to whom you can consult. So see how limited they have written, when, what and where. Basically the body of this notice writing, we answer 3 questions: what is going to happen, when and where. So for more details information, contact the undersigned. Now signature, name is not given, you can write your name, and cultural secretary, it is given that you are the secretary of music club, that's why here it is written cultural secretary. So like this we write the notice. If you practice it, your all doubts will be cleared. So this will be the same. Whatever the reason is, whatever the event is going to happen, the format of the notice writing will be same.